Howard Stark here, CEO of Stark Industries. I'm very sorry I couldn't be there, so I'm sending this message along. To me, it's a dream. A dream that can make this world a better place.
Just because something works doesn't mean that it cannot be improved.
I'm here to talk to you about the Avenger Initiative. There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people, see if they could become something more. See if they could work together when we needed them to fight the battles that we never could.
How do we do this?
Together.
If you step out that door, you are an Avenger.
I would like to personally introduce you to the future.